Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make pickled peppers. The way how I make it requires 0 drop of water, and you will be able to eat it after only 6 hours. So now let's start. First, prepare some green peppers, cut them into circles and put into the bowl. Prepare some red peppers, cut them into circles and put into the bowl too. Now cut some small chilies. Mice some garlic and add it to the peppers. Add 4 spoons of sugar. Mix well and let the peppers marinate for some time. Now we need to make a special kind of oil. First, we need to prepare some ginger, scallion, coriander, and onion. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. This oil will decide the taste of our pepper, so it is very important. Put the ginger, onion, scallion, and coriander into it. Fry these vegetables for a while. And now we need to add some Sichuan pepper, and anise, and the cinnamon. Stir fry everything until they get slightly burnt. Then remove them from the pan except the oil. Now we need to add 1 bowl of soy sauce, half bowl of vinegar, half bowl of dark soy sauce. Cook until it boils, then turn off the fire. Put the peppers we prepared just now into a jar. Add the oil we prepared just now into the jar too. Cover the jar and after 6 hours, you can enjoy the pickled peppers. This pepper is very tasty and it goes so well with rice or noodles. You should give it a try. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.